Hello everyone. Today I'm going to be teaching you how to make an object collecting system. Shout out to Simply Ash for requesting this video. I don't know if I said his username right, but yeah, he requested for a log collecting system. Yeah, and you might probably seen this in camping games before, like Slate Park or I don't know. You've probably seen it before. Yeah, and today I'm going to get into it. So the first thing we do is obviously the logs. So I have my logs here. I have a folder for the logs, and inside the folder there's all of my logs. You can probably in your story I would recommend doing like put in server storage, and then once the thing comes out, then you use your story script and then to tell it to reparent it to workspace. I'm probably gonna do that. That way you probably don't get confused. Okay, so let's just I'm going to be using output instead of dialog GUI. Just to save time. Anyways, let's get to the scripting. So let's do local logs equals game dot server storage dot logs. Okay, so now we do, let's just maybe like wait 7 or just 5 seconds just to give the just to give it time for the player to actually finish joining. Yeah, okay, so now we're just going to do print collect. Okay, let's see, I have 6 logs, so collect 6 logs. Okay, so now we do that, and then we can just do logs dot parent equals game dot workspace. That way it moves this to there to workspace. Okay, so now what we gotta do is let's make a function, or let's do a touch function. Actually, let's do a click detector. So let's do a click detector. Let's just lower the max activation distance. Let's just paste these all into there. Okay, so now let's see, for I, V, and pairs logs get. Okay, get children. Okay, now what should we do? Okay, so now we do. Okay, so now we got the logs. Now we gotta do v dot click detector dot mouse click connect function, and then there's a variable using mouse click called player. It's pretty much, the variable is pretty much the player who collected it. Okay, let's add an end to that. So we also got to make a variable. So let's do local logs, or let's just do collected. Okay, so now we can do okay, so collected equals collected plus 1. We can do print player, and then we can do has found a log. Okay, there we go. So the reason why I'm not doing dot dot is because the print function allows you to do this. It just allows you to do that, and it will do an automatic space, so I don't have to do that either. Yeah, that's just how print works. But if you were doing actual dialogue, make sure to do dot dot, and you can put a space here, like that. Okay, so now we can make an if statement. So we can do if collected equals 6. For me, I need 6 blocks for the thing to continue. Then we can do print all logs have been found. Okay, so now we can make a bool variable, so we can do, or actually we can just, okay, so I'd actually do greater than or equal to. It's just in case if you want to add more logs to make it easier, I'll just do that just in case. It's just a double checker. Okay, so we can make a repeat function, so repeat wait until collected is greater than or equal to 6. Okay, so if you do not know how repeat until, if you do not know how this works, it means repeat to do this until we have this. So I would just do wait. It would just wait until we have all the logs collected, which is 6 or greater. Okay, so now we can do print. Okay, and we can do, actually let's do here, we can do, okay, so we can actually do that like this, and we don't have to worry about that. Okay, so if we were to test this, hopefully this will work. This is my first time recording this, so okay, so it says collect 6 logs. Okay, we can, okay, I found a log. Oh, I almost forgot. Okay, I want to anchor these, and then I want to delete the log, so be destroyed. That way you cannot just like spam click the same log. And I also want to anchor it. That way, if you, in case you just want to jump on them, then yeah, then it will just fly. Okay, so I found a log, 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 and now it says, okay, so I found a log. Okay, it says times 6 because it said the same thing 6 times, and it says all logs have been found. Okay, so we can, yeah, that's pretty much. Okay, I also want to do this, so we can do print. We can do collected logs to go. Yeah, I just want to make this. Yeah, okay. Actually, sorry. Yeah, this is my first time recording, so I'm a little bit bumpy, I guess. So we can do collected minus 6. Actually, wait. Hold on. Oh wait, no. I'm sorry. 6 minus collected. Then we can do more logs to go. Okay. Okay, so now we can do collect 6 logs. Click. Says I found a log. 5 more logs to go. Found a log. 4 more logs to go. 3, 2, 1 more log to go. And now we have 0 more logs to go. We have all logs have been found. I think I just got Discord messaged. Yeah. Well, anyways, that's pretty much it. So what have we learned today? That we can use a repeat function, or yeah, whatever. So I think you understand how it works now. Instead of print, again, you should use dialogue. Otherwise, it would, because you can't really, you can't see the dialogue in the actual game unless you press F9 to see the console. Yeah, okay. So I hope you enjoyed this tutorial. I hope you learned something new. I hope this helps with your camping game. And see you next time.